Welcome back with Chef Ricardo back in the kitchen one more time with your dishes, guys. Lovely dishes and amazing dishes, drinks, food, everything, you name it. And you also can claim it. Remember, Christmas is coming up very soon and we got a lot of recipe for Christmas. We start to put out some Christmas tips already and there's more to come. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and remember to get a copy of my cooking book online from Amazon, and it's the best price ever in this world. We love you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking program one more time again, guys. Today we want to show you can make yourself some nice, lovely lemon drizzle cupcake. Hopefully you will like the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and please leave your comments. But first of all, for start the ingredients, first of all, guys, you need 4 ounces of sugar, which is going to be, some people do when they're making their cakes and their stuff, they use brown sugar, but I'm using some granulated white sugar, which I'm going to use right now. So I got it right here. That's one of the main things what you need to do. Then second thing what you need to do, you need some butter, which is going to be 4 ounces of butter. Unsalted butter is good for baking, guys. As I always say in my video, it's good to use unsalted butter for your nice, lovely baking. Alright? So right here, 4 ounces of unsalted butter. Nice one. Scrape it inside of it. Use a wooden spoon and just combine the sugar and also the butter together. Alright? Nice and lovely. So right here I just combine the sugar and the butter and get it cream and nice and lovely. Sorry about that, guys. Second thing I'm gonna do is get some self-rising flour, which is gonna be 4 ounces of self-rising flour also. Nice one. That's 4 ounces of self-rising flour. Pour it straight inside of it also. Simple, we're gonna get some baking powder, which is gonna be 3/4 teaspoon of just a pinch of baking powder, 1/4 of baking powder inside of it, guys, right here like this. Bang, pop it straight inside of it. Simple. Beat 2 eggs, 2 medium-sized egg, pour it straight inside of it like that. Lovely. I just grated 1 lemon. This is a lemon. This is it right here. All I do, I use this side of the grater to grate it. Some people use different side of the grater, but I use this side. That this side is the best for you to do your stuff when you grate it. So I grate 1 lemon, pour it straight inside of it like that. Simple. Use a wooden spoon and combine both of them like this together. Nice and lovely. So I just finished whisk it up, and this is the way how it look. Really nice. So basically we're gonna put them inside of this right here. We're gonna put in the mixture inside of the cupcake mix right now. So what I want to simply say to you guys, please preheat your oven. That's one of the main things we should need to do. That's, you also can put them in instantly as just put them inside of the cupcake tray. So now I'm gonna lay out all of these inside of it by simply using a spoon like this and putting the mixture inside of it. Really nice. So I'm gonna do, let's see, 3, 6, 9, 12 cupcake, lemon drizzle cupcake, and hopefully you guys will like the recipe. Nice and lovely. So now it's finished, as you can see. Now we're gonna put it straight inside of the oven and bake them for roughly about 20 minutes inside of the oven. Gas mark 5 is good for it, or 6 for 20 minutes. If you're using a different kind of oven, 165 is good for the same 20 minutes or 15 minutes. Enjoy the recipe, guys. And lovely, guys. I just take them from the oven, as you can see, looking so lovely and yummy. Really nice. As you can see, this is just beautiful. Look at that lemon drizzle. What we're gonna do, let's make some drizzle, because I want you guys to see exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about. To make yourself some drizzle at home, all you need to do is simple. 2 things you need: lemon juice, the same lemon we should do grater. Simple. Squeeze it inside of a strainer like this, and just simple catch those seeds. I'm just gonna use roughly half. That's the guys can see. I'm just gonna show you guys. Oh yeah. Alright, you know what? Let's use all of it. Alright? So we're juicing this beautiful lemon. Nice one. I get all of that juice from it. Next thing, get some icing sugar, which is very important. Without the icing sugar, you can't make the lemon drizzle, guys. I'm telling you, you need icing sugar. So roughly, you need roughly two teaspoons, a teaspoon of icing sugar. Sorry, and I'm just pouring it from my bag. Sorry about that, guys. Simple, whisk it. Might have to get some more. Put a teaspoon of icing sugar inside of it. Simple whisk it. Nice and lovely. So I just finished the lemon drizzle, and that's it. Simple. I just demonstrate to show you guys. So right here I have a few cookies which I'm gonna demonstrate to show you. A few cupcake. Simple. The simple springing on top of it like this, and leave it for it to dry for roughly one nice good few minutes. But this is exactly what I'm talking about. Yeah. And next thing also you can do is simple sprinkle a little bit of icing sugar on top of it like this. Really nice lemon drizzle cake. So guys, enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and please leave your comments, and see you next time. Bye bye. A lot of things is coming up for you guys. So thank you so much, and hopefully you have a wonderful time. Enjoy yourself, and see you in the next time.